What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Halo on the low, going with the flow, ready to get these over, my nigga. And also in my and they get it. What's let's go get it? Bro. Hold on. Bro, as y'all saw in my previous vlog, bro, the car got messed up. My car got messed up. Ish. Hold on. I know Shapa. What will it? What will it? Oh, just a tagara. Bye, connected. Bitch. Come on, B. Bro, doesn't have enough power, you feel me? You feel me? But now, listen. Am I paying charge? Charge! I know, man, that's I know, man, take a bo.
Oh, it's not in the key, thank you. In the rev limit,
you win.
Yeah. Aí que você vem, quem está vendo? Não entra.
Hey, bitch.
Sharp.
Give. Idle. Yeah, now it's idling properly now. Bro, she's been sitting for a while. Look what she's doing, bro. Anyway, like I said, bro, my car was messed up. My previous vlog, so I had to get it fixed. It's still messed up. Wheels are off. Leave it. The train riding. I'ma take this shit off soon. Anyway, as I can see, we got my baby started in a few days. Beta, man. Bruh, the love I have for this shit, bruh. Cars are gonna get us killed, my nigga. Stop. Right? Yeah, nigga. I don't know, man. Kikuka man, the man a transcende man, nah man. Yeah? Inject. Ja, auch noch nichts, schon da. Anywho, ich hätte die Politik.
Was soll denn das Fachschuss sagen?
Doch. Anywho. My guy's ooh. Ay.
honest, that's not squad. Ma.
In a truck, what's happening?
It's a referee.
This is pussy.
Yes.
Amaranucha legend shop. But can I started from day to the Manapelahale start?
Wait, at least. First week.
Amaranuch, Iduma.
I know.
I do, man. Kapaki, I didn't know you did, man.
Okay, that's it, mate. You know, Sapali school.
So, in a side with Misha. Okwati.
Shit.
Kenya, Ninton. In a blower, I was gonna blow the entire engine. So, I got two of my tire. And what's a get like up there? Mate, who said to get like a stay? Ah, I one go to yeah, they mad it. Yeah. The whips is starting. The whip sounds good. It sounds amazing.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. It's discharge of firearm. Not firearm. Firearm. But then anyway, first clip of the vlog, I wanted this to be the first clip because like bruh, that I was fucked up in Manayo. Next year sharp. But that day, mentally, emotional, I wasn't because I also lost my granddad on that day. Popped both tires on that day. And I broke my vape. Well, I didn't. Yeah, it broke. You could see that. And it was this nigga's first day of school. You understand? So that day, it just wasn't a good day. But then, yo, Ntwana, refanda bili. But then anyway, oh, gents, this nigga changed his frame. And keep in mind, both these frames you see, and like both these cars you see, I just showed you now, these are these niggas. And there's another one. Oh, there's another one.
Upcoming project.
That's what he's saying. So, by expected, but hey, Scala, flash, or flash. Anyway, by expected project.
Yeah, okay, bro.
Ni.
Latest June.
Alright, I'ma update ya.
I get latest
June, he would basically have 3 cars in his garage. That's 2 series, man. That's 2. Okay, keep play one and done. Keep play one. Hankarabi. Hey, Els man, y'all comment El Tara, bruh. Because nigga doesn't want me to become a BMX rider and a skater at the same time. Bona no. Ta capo. Ne? Oh, so chundiba fa ifele jwa.
Na bena tse itshunna tsa ka di thutla ke shao.
So na e one sharp, ke sharp ke you one. Ke a tseba gore ha di le thumo, di le thuman. Lanka reng, lanka ya tsala eng kapa eng.
O mo le mo like nna go ntse le thutula.
Ke gona replace fast. Jwale re shekeng dan, re ntwane ya rone. Ah, I'ma see y'all. I don't know. We finna go link up with the couple right now. He's busy fixing this other machine, this other beast. Well, that's what's gonna happen now. I'm like look say beast here.
Mini beast.
Mini beast. It's tiny. Mara yo. It's our power. But then anyway, y'all stay tuned, bro. I don't know. I'ma share a vlog for y'all. One day, just for one day, where the couple has their car, like for the entire day up until the next day, and I'ma share a vlog. Sound wise, y'all should listen to that shit. Speed wise, y'all should watch that shit. I'ma show y'all everything. Y'all feel me? A day to day. If longer, we low-key living the life, ne? Mara, ya short. Ga shota re shota hanyane fela re shota ka. Snogonoko re shota ka riding eo fela. Ene re tlo e thola le yona gobane ish. Mana ba re kwena ma.
Ba re ke nna Eugene Dakar.
Ba re kena Eugene Dakar. Wa khaba. Khwe. Ba did. Kana ntse ke le tshela Majita le Bomzala. Re tlo dem money. Re tlo chincha riding EU. And then I get to chincha riding EU. She's not that attractive. Dog, I thought she's so attractive. She's not that attractive. Why she? Go and ditana. O kentse khomo menong. Yeah. And now mzala kenyang khomo menong angkhazi mfethu. It's an immediate turn off. But then anyway, what better riding you? And then yeah, I'm a spec y'all. Yeah. Mini beast. Yes. Oh, I'm wiki even now. Give me the little. Oh, how Fiji?
Kitchen.
Oh. Oh. Bro, y'all spec the view. Y'all spec the view. It's a flippin' nice view, innit? Then anyway, y'all see the time. That's the time. It's nog steeds bezig daar zo.
Okay.
Man tenza wel busy. So mina ngizohamba khona manje ngoba mailing hambi ngikhaya. Yabo. So ngizoba kubona kusasa. Anyway, ngeke le guy update yabo. Adiwana. Mara it. I don't know. Hey, these niggas are still working, bruh. YouTube. This is what I see when I pull up, bro. Cool shit, calm shit. You feel me? Oh, it's moving, dog. Eh, get over. Stop, man. Man.
Oh, fitan. Ela fait Fanta dena sela. Apule kilo se. Aisha, tu t'as répondu.
Ah, hey, l'imphone Taiwan. L'imphone. Now, what's good? It is indeed, I don't know how many days later. Thanks, man. I don't know how many days later it is, and I'm on my way to Fanta Day. I need to go pay for some shit. So, gladly my boy said he would take me and shit. Yeah? I'm a catcher. YouTube, y'all probably wondering what's going on and shit. This part of the vlog, like the beginning of this clip, the beginning of this day, probably it's been a little bit weird for y'all feel me? But then anyway, I'm in front of the bird right now, and there are a few shit I gotta get done. You feel me? And I have to walk now. I have to walk all the way from the license department to Checkers and then back. And then after I walk back, I need to, I need to walk to the rank again. Because as you can see, I'm walking, you feel me? So fuck this shit, I'm going that side. I need to go that side of the road, bro. Yeah, I need to go get an eye test because they don't do eye test at the license department no more, which is fucking weird. Which is hella weird, but then alright, nigga, I'ma do what I gotta do. You feel me? So yeah, bro, I'm a spec, y'all. I don't know. I'm not gonna vlog the entire journey. My arms are painful. My arms are painful, bro. Already, and I just started vlogging, and I'm already feeling the pain. You feel me? This is a nice place, and I can already feel my arm low-key trying to give up on me. But then I must beg y'all. I think I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Checkers or something like that. I don't know. I'll see. Bro, I just got done my eye test. They said they couldn't allow me to vlog in there due to, what is this, Popeye Act. You feel me? So it's cool, but then I got done with my eye test. As you can see, I got done with my eye test. Now I need to go back to the licensing department. I need to go back, and then I think I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna just have to pay for that shit, and then yeah, I'm gonna go home. I think, I don't know. My mom called me. She said she needs me to go somewhere round about here. Oh, it's gonna be that side because I'm way on the other side, bro. Shit, bro. I think I need to get myself like a hobby, bro. I don't smoke hobby, but like I know the honeys, the mommies. I'm not sure if y'all can hear me, bro. I'm planning on buying a mic soon, or this week. I'm not sure because I still have a couple shit I need to buy for my car, and I wanna focus on that first. I wanna focus on my car, and then I'm focused on myself afterwards. After me. But the mic involves YouTube, and like I said, I'm gonna be consistent. I dropped my vlog when yesterday. It's either yesterday or the day before yesterday, I'm not sure. But then I dropped the vlog. So like I said, I'm gonna be consistent, and I'm gonna need that mic. Y'all feel me? I'm gonna need that mic. I could be using that mic right now ever since it's windy and I'm outside. You feel me? But then, like I said, I'm gonna focus on my car first, and then I'm gonna focus on myself. But YouTube is also part of the shit I need to be focusing on. You feel me? Because there is a little bit of movement. I'm not gonna lie, there is a little bit of movement. You feel me? And I thought it's gonna take me some time to actually get the motion moving, bro. I literally need 1 subscriber to be on like 30 subs. Y'all niggas don't wanna give me that 1 sub, bruh. Let's make it an even number. It has to be an even number. You feel me? And then the goal is 500. The goal is 500 subs by the end of this year. Like, that's far. I'm pretty sure I would be there already. You feel me? Hold on. I'm pretty sure I'd be there already by the end of the year. Because like I said, I do see a little bit of movement, bruh. But then let me catch her. Let me call my mom, and then I'ma catch her. You feel me? Yeah, sure. So before I see y'all when I get there, dog, I shot myself in the leg, fam. I didn't download no music, and I have to pay for my Apple Music. This shit is bullshit, bro. It's bullshit. I forgot to download music, and I'm walking, bro. And I feel like listening to So Fuego so bad. I feel like listening to Fuego so fucking bad, bro. This shit is crazy. But then my mood just went up. My mood just lifted up a bit because I didn't know if I'm gonna get the eye test. You feel me? I didn't know if I'm gonna get the eye test. If I went to the right place, but at least they directed me in the correct direction. They sent me to the right place. You feel me? But then, yeah, bro, Y'all better sub, man. Bring me that sub so that I don't struggle to pay for my Apple Music and all my subscriptions, bro. Because, hey, man, as a nigga who's done with school and who doesn't have a job for now, who doesn't have a job, like, yeah. It's like that. It's tough a bit. You feel me? But then, let me speak, y'all, fam. Bro, I've been here since like what? 10 a.m. It took me literally 2 hours and some spare change to get this shit done because I had to go get an eye test, like I said. But then, I just got done by the license department in front of the bill. That's where I'm at, cover. Just got done. Now I need to go home. I want to go home, bro. I'm low-key starving, not high-key, low-key, some light, low-key starving. I need to get myself something to eat. But I'm pretty sure, I think my mom has me. I'll text and I'll tell her to get me something prepared to go la Risha dog. But then, I just wanted to update y'all. I'm looking around and shit, like, I'm not from this neighborhood, but I know people in this neighborhood. That's why I'm looking around, trying to get familiar with the spot. Y'all feel me? But then, I'm gonna speak, yo. YouTube. Hey, man. I'm in my car seat, dog. I'm in my hood. I'm back home. And I'm booked, like I said, as y'all can see. I got the papers in my hands. Over me. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. I got everything I was supposed to get in front of the bail. What else? That's about it, my nigga. But then, yeah, I must speak, y'all. So YouTube, what's good, y'all? I just made it back, bro. Like, maungena, okay, now fella talk. I got shoes all over this place, bro. I got shoes all over this bitch. And like I said, I'm gonna text my mom, I'm gonna call her, and I'm gonna tell her to show me something to gala because I haven't gala. And yeah, she showed me toast. I don't know. Maybe it's an egg and cheese toast. I don't know what it is, but then, yeah, nigga. YouTube. I don't know how many days it is later, man. But then, y'all see, bro, I got my hair done. It still has to grow on me, fam. Niggas upset because he has to leave. He has to go link up with somebody. That's all I'm gonna say. I have to work. As y'all can see, my wall fell down. I need to replace that shit. Which is gonna be something. Kere. Mana jolo kwati. Ska to kwatela na mari. Ska ma to kwatela na chaga. Mana wa to kwatela na. But then shout out to him, dog. Benz started off the tender for me. I need to finish it off. He brought the bike. I have like a couple shit I need to do today. I need to go check windscreen. My tires are gonna get my car's gonna start moving vandaag. Over me. And in 2 weeks I need to go write some tests and shits like that. I was supposed to go with this nigga, by the way. The cop, I was supposed to go with this nigga. But then, menzi, what is up when? So, traveling now charge. But wearing the right. Anyway, I wanted to tell you about my hair, bruh. Like, this is not the color I was supposed to get, bruh. This is not the color I was supposed to get this other color. I'm still gonna get that color. I will show you the color. But then, nah. I'm gatekeeping. I'm a gatekeeper. Even my hairdresser, there's this other nigga who wanted to know. Yeah, gatekeeper. There's this other nigga who wanted to know who does my hair. Nah.
He's a gay.
Nah. There's this other nigga wanted to know who my hairdresser is. I'm gatekeeping my hairdresser, guys, so please don't ask me where do I get my hair done. I can't give y'all the sauce like that. You feel me? Yeah, bro. This nigga's about to wow. I don't know for how long am I gonna keep vlogging, bro. And I wanna listen to music so bad, so I think I'ma get the extension. I'ma get the extension cord, put my laptop outside, but I can't listen to music and vlog at the same time. You see, that's the thing. So I'ma still vlog, but I'ma listen to music at the same time. So I'ma update y'all from time to time, from point to point. You feel me? So yeah, that's about it. You feel me? Yeah, so ski. nigga. Yeah, nigga. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that part. And that's my work pants, bro. This is my work pants in case y'all start yapping a lot. It's my work pants, bro. What you do? Nah, I've been. Take it, cut.
Benekan.
Wow.
Tadi yang kayak gini.
Ik moet niet zeker maken. What's up? Take shoot day. YouTube, kita di dalam dan Ek is klaar. Because of this guy. Net so related. Barachuda. It is so related bo. Letting you. Suave tranquilo. Suave tranquilo. E mana, e had the full accelerate. YouTube. Ish, bona ke tsherap tsero, ne re ke tshwaretsena, ban khale ke tshwaretsena abo. E mona o relax mo ne. Before man griza hlaya ya bo. Guys, YouTube, this is the end of the vlog. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment, like I said, comment L's Tada because Tada's an L's man, bruh. As always, he's always an L's man. Ska koposka, man. Mauti.
What are you born and done?
Man. Pili. So anyway, try me pili, but to get the vlog. As I can see, like I said, my car's gonna start moving. Like I said, the car's moving again. It's up. It's awake. Now we have to work on it. Spend a lot of money, but then anyway, like I said, if you made it this far, thank you so much. And then yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all.
I'm pushing P, that's my favorite alphabet. She let me do as I please on my alphabet. When you